19 famous inspirational quotes of Dr. Bob Nelson to reach the success. Employee loyalty begins with employer loyalty. Your employees should know that if they do the job they were hired to do with a reasonable amount of competence and efficiency, you will support them. The best leaders are those most interested in surrounding themselves with assistants and associates smarter than they are. An employee's motivation is a direct result of the sum of interactions with his or her manager. You get the best effort from others not by lighting a fire beneath them, but by building a fire within. Recognition is the greatest motivator. People may take a job for more money, but they often leave it for more recognition. Take time to appreciate employees and they will reciprocate in 1,000 ways. Success is about creating a work environment where people can reach their full potential and enjoy what they do. You get what you reward. Be clear about what you want to get and systematically reward it. The more you engage with customers, the clearer things become and the easier it is to determine what you should be doing. Giving cash rewards is one of the least effective means of motivating employees. While money may induce short-term involvement, it does not create motivation for the long term. Merchandise has a residual value over cash because the objects serve as reminders. Your customers will never be any happier than your employees. Great leaders are willing to sacrifice their own self-interest for the good of the team. Communicate, communicate, and then communicate some more. People don't leave companies, they leave managers. Just the act of listening means more than you can imagine to most employees. You can't command people to do their best, they can only command that of themselves. It is always easier, and usually far more effective, to focus on changing your behavior than on changing the behavior of others. Take your work seriously and yourself lightly.